All right, let's look at bonuses then. So a bonus is really a non-item that then would be given to a customer or accumulated to a customer based on the same sort of criteria as that in-kind. So the in-kind rebate is about an item going back to the customer. A bonus is really about a non-inventory item being accumulated to a customer. So again, based on the type of, maybe it's an item or an item group or something like that, I'm going to then apply a bonus, which could be a percentage of fixed amount or a per unit piece, again, for a valid range, and I want to apply that to the customer. The bonus is actually a process that you run. So it's going to allow you to generate a report for a date range, essentially looking at the valid transactions. So I could say for every item that's purchased by this customer hierarchical relationship, I'm going to send back $3.50 for every item. Okay, so it's going to accumulate that bonus value, and I could set some minimum values on there. So I could say maybe they get a rebate after every unit purchased after they've purchased 100 or something like that. So again, that's a pretty typical scenario that I've seen. Minimum value based on a group or minimum quantity of purchases over a period of time. That's what this bonus is going to do. One thing to notice or note about the bonus calculation is this is going to then apply to the customer, and it's going to essentially allow you to review that bonus calculation and then apply a credit to the customer's account. At that point, you could either issue a refund to the customer if they want it back, let's say in cash, or it's just on account to the customer. So it allows you to determine sort of what resolution do I want to have for that bonus calculation, but it's going to calculate based on that. And there are only certain, well, you'd have to designate a customer that's eligible for it and then put them into a essentially a bonus relationship based on these rates to then apply that to the customer hierarchy, price groups, etc. All right, so that's the bonus piece. Similar to rebates in kind, it's going to be a non-inventoried item.